What up, though, homies and homies? It's your homeboy Grand Tizzle. Welcome back to the lab. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscription button and that notification bell, because you're gonna like what we got going on over here. You ain't gonna want to miss not 1 second of madness your homie Grand Tizzle got in store for you. In today's session, fam, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do this glow lighting effect in 5 simple steps. It's trending, it's going viral, and it even got me looking like I can dance. Look at me. All right, fam, let's go ahead and get it started. Check it out. All right, fam, welcome back, and let's go ahead and without further ado and get started. First thing I'm going to do is import a video. I'm going to import the video that I've already been working on it all week, and I'm going to be working on this all month. All right, so the other thing you want to do is hold Control, click D to make another copy. Everything we're going to be adding is going to be added on this layer right here. So once you have this layer selected, you want to double click that so that you can have a composition window and a layer window. After you have the layer window, step 2 is to go pick a brush. So we got our brush. You want to pick your size. 9 is typically what I like to use because of the size. And let me undo that. And you want to make sure that your paint is selected to duration single frame. You're going to have 4 different selections. Make sure yours is set on single frame. You can test around with different ones to see what results you get, but just trust your boy Grand Tizzle is single frame. All right, and once you have everything all set up, the next step is to start painting. Now you want to use your page up and your page down to move frame up or frame back. So we're going to use the down frames to move up, and the page up frames to move back. So let's go ahead and start painting. So I'm gonna do a halo, bop. All right, and as you can see here, we'll move it back, and you see that animation. And it's literally just that simple. All right, and the next step is to go over, when you're done painting, you want to go over to paint on transparent, click it, or you can go down here to paint, where you see here, paint on transparent, and make sure that it's clicked to on so that you can have a transparency here. And then you're going to put on the glow. So go down to effect, stylize, go down to glow, click glow. Now the settings that I like to use is I like to put this to around, well, first of all, make sure that you hit original colors A and B, and then you're going to want to go to I like to put that around 17%, and I like to put the the threshold at around 29. So we put that there, and the I like to put the glow intensity at like 2.8, 2.6, 7, or 8. And now you got you a nice little glow, and then we want to change these colors. So what I'm gonna do here is like click a yellow. I'm gonna hit that yellow, and then we're going to do that like a green halo. Boom, and that's beautiful. And that's it. And then let's play it back and see what we got going on here. All right, and it's rendered, and let's look at it. Nice, real nice. And as far as the, you know, the A and B colors, the midpoint, sometimes I like to have it like around 73, and you can kind of play around with it based on you know, how you want to do your own. And you know, you can change these colors, of course, to different colors here, like the pink, you know what I'm saying, and the red. And then we got us a nice, beautiful glow. With that being said, that wraps it up for this session. Now make sure you check out my next tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how to get a shiny, bright, realistic glow, because this glow by itself is not alone, is not gonna do the job. So you really, really want a nice, bright, vivid glow. And in the final tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you think you might be interested in some other graphic design tutorials, make sure you check out our flyer style design tutorials, and you can find that link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to sub, like, and hit that bell so you won't miss a beat of that heat that I bring to my lead. Till the next time, see you in a minute, see you when I spin it. Peace.